right sides together because that's how we sew, right? Right sides together. So this side facing this side, that's one, and you're going to sew them 1/2 inch. I'm about to sew it. Make sure you back stitch on the edges so the stitches stay. 1/2 inch. Take a marker, the Welt Seam. So for the Welt Seam, all you have to do is you open it up. You don't open up the seam. You do not open it up. You fold it down to one side. Put it down to one side, and you sew that side down. I mean, you iron it down. All of it is facing one direction, and then whichever direction it's on, you're gonna take it. Whichever direction it's on this side, right? So you're gonna take it to the machine. You're going to sew like 1/2 inch right there, 1/2 inch right on it. Okay. You're done. This is your Welt Seam. You don't have to overlock stitch it because it's already stitched down. It will not fray. It's your Welt Seam. You got your Welt Seam.